AB into A6 is 6AB. Wonderful. B into 6 ends in B. It's going to be the last digit. 6 into B is going to be the last digit here. So let's try to crack that. 1 into 6 ends in 6. So it's not 1. 2 into 6 ends in 12. 2. So it could be 2. B could be 2. 3 into 6, 18, not 3. 4 into 6, 24. It could be 4. B could be 2. B could be 4. 5 into 6, 30. Doesn't work. 6 into 6, 36. That is a possibility. It could be 6. 7 into 6, 42. Doesn't work. 8 into 6, 48. It could be 8. 9 into 6, 54. It doesn't work. 0 into 6, 0. That is a possibility. 0 into 6, 0. That is a possibility. And so it would be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. All of them are possible. Wonderful. So now let's come back to the A part of it. And so this is AB into A6. Just think about this. B could be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. All of them are possible. A, what is AB into A6? So this could be 1 something into 1 something, 16. 1 dash into 16. 16 into 11 or 19 or 10. And so think about it. Where will this number lie? 10 plus something into 10 plus something. It is more than 160. 160 or more. It can go up to 320. 20 into 16 is 320. It cannot start in 6. So A, now think about it from A's point of view. B can be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A cannot be 1. 1 something into 16 will not be more than 320. 20 into 16 is 320. A cannot be 1. A equal to 2. 2 something into 26. 24 into 26. 25 into 26. 26 into 26. They are all near 600. 26 into 26 is 676. So A could be 2. That's very much possible. A is 3. 3 something into 36. 30 into 30 is 900. 3 something into 36 will be way more than 900. It will become a 4-digit number. 3 is not possible. 44 something into 46 will be more than 1600. 4 is not possible. 5, 6, 7, nothing is possible. A has to be 2. We're looking at 2 something into 26 ending in 6AB. B could be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 20 into 26 is 520. A is 2. We can put this also as 2. 2B by into 26 is 62B. 22 into 26. Go trial and error, nothing else. 20 into 26 doesn't work. 22 into 26. 6 2s are 12. 2, 1. 12 plus 1, 13. 44. So it's 2, 7, 5. This doesn't work. So let's put 4. 24 into 26. 6 4s are 24. 4, 2. 12 plus 2, 144. 48, 4, 2. This works. 24 into 26 is 624. Or A is 2, B is 4 works. We've been asked to find only A. We need not have done all this. We could have directly found A. The moment we found A, we could have written down the answer. But why should we stop there? Let us explore and find B also. A is 2, B is 4 works. The only possibility that works, A has to be 2.